Your windows will shine like never before. You'll be able to admire the world through streak-free windows. For many people, it's like discovering the Holy Grail. For others, this method remains unchanged over the years. You'll learn how to professionally clean windows using products and items that you probably already have at home. The windows will look like new. Cleaning windows so that there are no streaks on them sometimes seems impossible. Although most people reach for such products, it's not a good choice. They're suitable for cleaning mirrors or shower cabins from the outside. You need this dishwashing liquid and this. You'll learn how to use them right away. First, pour plenty of water into a bowl or bucket. Dissolve a few drops of any dishwashing liquid in it. The water shouldn't foam. There should only be a little liquid in it. Clean the windows first with this water. You'll remove all the dirt and dust from them after winter. Remember that it's best to wash windows on a cloudy day. Washing windows in the sun largely contributes to streaks. When the windows are already cleaned from the layer of dust, pour 200 milliliters of vinegar into a spray bottle. Add the same amount of warm water. Literally add a few drops of dishwashing liquid. And add a dozen drops of glycerin. It's available at any pharmacy. Spray the windows with this mixture and wipe them gently with a cloth. Then polish them with ordinary newspapers. Glycerin will leave a protective layer. Thanks to it, dust or dirt won't settle on the window, and water will run off without leaving traces. The scent of vinegar will also discourage insects from sitting on the window, and the newspapers will guarantee that there won't be a single streak on the windows after cleaning.